Why one shouldn't choose bachelors in microbiology. While there are several reasons why one might choose not to pursue a bachelor's degree in microbiology, it's important to note that the decision ultimately depends on individual interests, career goals, and personal circumstances. That being said, here are a few potential factors that could influence someone's decision. Limited career options. While microbiology can lead to diverse career paths, such as research, healthcare, or biotechnology, some individuals may feel that the range of job opportunities in the field is relatively narrower compared to other disciplines. This perception might make them hesitant to choose microbiology as their major. Advanced education requirements. Although a bachelor's degree in microbiology can provide a solid foundation, many careers in the field, such as advanced research positions or teaching roles at the university level, often require further education, such as a master's or a PhD. Pursuing additional degrees can be time-consuming, expensive, and may not align with an individual's long-term goals. Saturation in the job market. Depending on the region and job market conditions, there might be a saturation of microbiology graduates competing for limited positions. This can result in increased competition and lower job prospects, making it challenging to secure desired employment opportunities. Specific job requirements. Some careers within the field of microbiology may have specific requirements or preferences that are not met solely by a bachelor's degree. For example, certain positions may require additional certifications, experience with specific laboratory techniques, or specialized knowledge in a particular subfield. Personal preferences and aptitude. Microbiology requires a strong interest and aptitude for the subject matter, including lab work, data analysis, and scientific research. If an individual does not have a genuine passion for microbiology or struggles with the technical aspects of the field, they might find it more rewarding to pursue a different academic path that aligns better with their strengths and interests. It's crucial to consider these factors alongside personal goals, passions, and the overall job market conditions in your area when making a decision about pursuing a bachelor's degree in microbiology or any other field of study. It can also be helpful to seek advice from professionals or academic advisors who can provide more specific guidance based on your individual circumstances. Thank you for watching.